Did you know that most traders lose money? It's a tough pill to swallow, but it's often because they're trading without a real structure, just guessing and hoping. Well, that's about to change for you. Welcome to the channel where we ditch the hype and focus on what actually works. Institutional Forex logic. Here, we'll dive deep into the concepts the pros use every single day. We're talking about understanding liquidity where the real money is. We'll master market structure to know why price moves the way it does. And most importantly, we'll cover risk engineering so you can protect your capital and trade with discipline. You'll learn to spot where retail traders get trapped and how to execute your trades like a professional. If you're ready for real logic and a structured approach to trading, hit that subscribe button. If you're looking for shortcuts or get-rich-quick schemes, this probably isn't the channel for you. Let's build a real edge together.